ex-husband of missing novelist Margaret Donner is wanted for questioning, but has now himself disappeared. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Mr. Donner, please contact your local police department.
Owen!
In other news,
There's a murderer in the house!
runs.
And the police have found him, the right murderer! He's here!
Give me the phone!
Give me the phone! The right murderer!
That's it. That's all. I'm on the next train to Mexico.
Larry, no! This is no time to panic!
Owen, this is the perfect time to panic! Owen, she turned me in! Listen, do what you want with it. I gotta think about myself.
Larry, don't leave me! Larry!
Sorry, Larry.
It's okay, Owen.
I messed everything up.
Owen, it's gonna be okay.
I ruined your life.
Come on, Owen. You know, sometimes things happen in life for a reason.
Well,
No, really. Maybe I was meant to go to Mexico to become a writer. You never know. This is a great ending. I don't have the beginning, but this is a great ending. It's the story of my life. I always have great endings and no beginnings.
it's not good for a writer, is it?
No, it's not.
How about the night was humid?
It's hot in here.
Yeah, hot and close.
Moist.
Right. The night was moist. You see, Owen, this is what I'm talking about. It's writing. It's finding the perfect word, the perfect beginning, the perfect start. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. Now it was the winter of our discontent. See what I'm saying? Perfect beginnings, perfect words. It's like us. See, we're on a train, right? We're going to Mexico. We're on the lam. It's exciting. It's kind of mysterious. So what do you say? Do you say the night was humid? Or do you say the night was moist? That's writing.
The night was sultry. I'm getting the hell out of here. Too goddamn sultry in here.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna kill the bitch. You want anything?
You get me a chunky.
Come here, Mrs. Lift.
You stay away from me, you murderer!
Mrs. Lift. Mama!
Murderer! Murderer!
Mama.
Sultry. I'll show you something sultry, Mrs. Lift.
G54.
Stupid pinto! Don't you idiots know there's a murderer loose on this train?
Mrs. Lift, come back here.
Pinto bastards!
My mother, she's a little over-medicated.
Murderer! Murderer! The murderer on the train! Wake up, you nutheads! Murderer!
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Wake up, there's a murderer on the train!
Mrs. Lift. Mrs. Lift, be careful!
Get away from me, you murderer!
No!
Let me down! You murderer!
Larry, don't kill her!
Save me!
I'm not trying to kill her, I'm trying to save you,
Save
toad!
me!
Larry, go up. Come on, Mrs. Lift. What are you doing to my mama? Making a wish. What the hell do you think I'm doing, Owen? Oh, no! Larry!
Please save me, Mother.
Mrs. Lift, are you okay?
Beat it, chap.